Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Today I want to show you one of my bath bomb bubble bars. A while back I made my own bath bombs. I had a bit left over, so I made it into a bath bomb bar. So now that I had time to use it, let's see how it performs. If you'd like to see the video on how this bar was made and other bath bombs, I will link it below. So I wanted some extra bubble, so I added some vanilla bean foam bath. I picked this stuff up from Walmart. You can use any kind of bubble bath to get some extra bubbles. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching. Stick around as you may want to see tomorrow's video.